Okay, from now on, I'm going to be showing some of my art and stuff on my YouTube channel. And last night I was talking to my friend on Skype, the Fizzle, as we all have seen before. This is what I was drawing. Zoom out and see all of it. And that's what I was drawing. And from now on, I'm just gonna start uploading art videos and stuff like that. So, yeah, I hope it's gonna be fun. I know I look fat. I'm trying to lose weight. And I'm also going to be making a video of my weight loss because I'm starting to exercise a lot. And I lost like 5 pounds last week. So, and I'm just going to make a video of that too one day. Not today. I don't feel like it. Maybe tomorrow. Or tonight. I don't know. And so that's how that's going to go. And that's about it. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding.